Let's explore the label printing option. Here, you can choose from various pre-made label models available in the app. Or, you can create a custom label based on your needs. Select the printer model name. After selecting the printer model, the preferred paper width and height will be set automatically. However, you can also enter the paper width and height manually if needed. And hit the OK button. Here, you can add text and modify text formatting. Additionally, you will find options to insert QR codes, barcodes, tables, emojis, and many other elements to customize your label according to your needs. Once your custom label is ready, you can save it for later use or print it instantly. Make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled on your phone. Now, you need to connect the printer to the app via Bluetooth. To do this, click here and refresh to find the printer's name, which will appear as the MAC address. You can obtain the printer's MAC address from the self-test page. Match the MAC address and click on it to establish the connection. Additionally, you can use color effects if you're printing an image, ensuring a clear print. From here, you can adjust settings such as print copy, print density, print speed, and contrast. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click Print, and the printer will print smoothly.